Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Absolutely love to have you here. So I'm super hyped up for this video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my thoughts about what's going to happen next in the markets, and also super results from the base meme coin millionaires club. So basically, I started building, crypto gaming portfolio in 2023. I bought the whole bottom of 2023, massive crypto gaming portfolio, low caps mainly. And now I started building 1 month ago. So February 3rd, I started building base meme coin portfolio. Base meme coins have been just printing. I'm telling you, they've been just absolutely printing. And I took some testimonials from the people who are inside there, and a lot of people are just absolutely crushing it. And you can see my results here. Like literally, these are my results. And inside the base meme coin millionaires club, I show you as I buy each peak and everything like that. So it's 100% truth here. Okay, this channel is about truth. So in this channel, I always talk about like my truth about where I think that the market is heading. So I personally believe that base meme coins will keep printing, and I will talk about in this video why. And also, low cap gaming coins are going to very soon, in my opinion, start to print. I'm so excited right now. I've been waiting for this moment for ever since in 2021 the crash started. I've been waiting this exact moment, and I've been preparing for this. So I'm prepared, and let me show you what I got. Okay, so right now I believe we are in, the bull run has been, or the bullish momentum has been going faster. Okay, let me actually what's happening here. Okay, that's a huge one. So right now Bitcoin trading 62k, ETH trading 3.4k, and this looks like a bull run to me. This looks like a bull run to me. But however, we are still at all-time low. Not all-time low, but we are not still trading at all-time high price. So Bitcoin, when it trades above 70k and ETH trades above 5k, the bull run euphoria phase. The bell will ring. I will ring the bell. I will ring the bell. Ringed. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I rang the bell when the euphoric phase, the bullish momentum started. So I ringed that bell in November 2023. Yeah. So right now we are super close to ringing the euphoric phase. So how it normally goes, the fractal that has been repeating in crypto, it's been 1 year boring low, 1 year bullish momentum, 6 months to 8 months, euphoria, and 6 months crash, and then it repeats. So right now we had 518 days of boring lows. Those who have been around here, that was a fun times, right? And then the bullish momentum started in November 2023. So November, December, January, February. So around 4 months right now already, right? 4 months. So we've been in the bullish momentum for 4 months. Time goes fast here in the crypto space. So 4 months, a lot of has happened in 4 months. So, and a lot of is going to still happen. So we have already been actually 4 months in the bullish momentum. Everybody's like it's going to super. Feels like it's going super fast, but at the same time, like I said, so normally this goes around 1 year and 1 year, but this boring low lasted 518 days. Okay, so it was a lot longer. So if you count down 3 and then 518, how much is that? Oh my god, 518, 155 days. So basically the euphoric phase here is around, like if you round it up, we are still on the schedule. Because we have 150 days here, and now we've been basically 4 months in the bullish momentum, which is quick maths 120 days. So plus 120 days. Okay, so we are getting close to the bullish momentum ending, and this is actually, it's going as planned. It is going as planned. Like if we look at how long the market cycle lasts, like the patterns are different, but So the bullish momentum right now, and super excited. My initial hypothesis was that the bullish momentum is going to be 1 year to build the momentum. Right now, the momentum has been built faster because of the Bitcoin ETFs. People being just crazy buying Bitcoin ETFs. I think that we have a real shot at going 10 trilsky in this market. And if that happens, I mean, low caps that come from rank 5,000 to rank 100, I mean, they will make so much money, it will be absolutely crazy. So right now, a lot of people who come here are looking at, okay, no, so the tokens, for example, these meme coins I bought, a lot of them were not at bottom prices. They were already multiple axes up. However, you don't understand, The bear market is where you can buy the bottom prices. That's why it's bear market, boring lows. But right now, we're in the bullish momentum. I'm not expecting to buy the bottom in the bullish momentum. I'm expecting to buy and then it will keep going up. You know, I'm not buying bottoms right now. No way. One couple of coins I have actually bought the bottoms, but it's if you look at the ratio, it's like 1 out of 10 you can buy bottom. You know, others I'm buying at all-time high prices. You know, and then it started going up again. So right now I'm around the 6k, 16k, or even a little bit more profit. So super fun times. So a couple of bullish catalysts for this year. Okay, and by the way, what I'm doing with the crypto gaming and meme coin portfolio right now, I'm focusing right now pushing meme coins because I believe my audience has had, like, me being in crypto this whole you know, if you have been watching my videos, you should have been buying here this whole time. I've been pushing like over, like, basically 500 days or 300 days at least every day that I'm buying crypto gaming low caps for literally 1 year straight. So if you are still not part of the inner circle, and if you still haven't bought crypto gaming gems, I don't know what you have been doing all these days. What have you doing? You know, like, what's up? You know. So I'm not, you know, a lot of people like, why, you know, I'm still talking about crypto gaming. I have a massive bags, and I'm going to talk soon about them as I start selling. You know what I'm saying? And you know, if I would start right now from zero, I would first, here's what I would do. I would join the crypto gaming inner circle, and I would join base meme coin millionaires, and I would look at all of the videos. I would look at through all the videos and join the Telegram groups and find the conviction picks that you believe in, and then start building positions because you are still not too late. When ETH is trading above 5k and Bitcoin is trading above 70k, you are kind of like, you can still make a lot of money, but I don't want to do that because I've been buying these for like almost 2 years right now. So I don't really, you know, I don't want to buy at the all-time high prices anymore. So that's where I'm looking to start switching to selling. I may buy some position. You will see me having some momentum picks. For example, I bought render token. Right now it's probably like all-time high prices, right? It's almost broken the all-time high. This is super crazy, right? So I basically bought render here and here. You can see the bull run really started here, and then you know, it went up, then it went down, and then it went up like crazy. So I bought it here and here, momentum play, and then I made sweet 10x on very nice bag, made some great profits here. Okay, so that was one of the momentum plays. I had multiple. I have Altura, render, Cadena. Let's look what Cadena is doing. Cadena, I made this. This made me a lot of money. It's like instant 20x. This was instant 20x for me. And some of the members who were inside back then, I called it the golden ticket gem. Right now I have a new golden ticket gem that is in the crypto gaming space. And people who are inside know, and I think that it will absolutely make a print. Not financial advice. So I have a mega bag of that, of course. So, you know, here we are right now. And so that's currently my plans here. And if you look at the catalyst here, Bitcoin halving, 49 days. Boom, boom, boom. So it's pretty ironic. So January, February, March, April, 4, and then the date 20. 4/20 is when the Bitcoin halving is. Like, this is a simulation, right? It has to be. This is like too stupid, right? Anyway, how much we have gone? 8 minutes. Okay. So this is the Bitcoin halving. And then we have the Dengun upgrade. People are, so right now I actually want to talk about why base chain is huge. You probably can also understand why gaming is going to be huge. Well, let me actually just give you a couple of caveats why I think gaming is going to print, why I'm going to make so much money with it. Okay. Right now, you know, gaming is mobile, free to play. If you look at League of Legends, the most new games are free to play. And then you pay for skins and everything like that. So then they monetize with microtransactions. So freemium games, that's what it's called. So mobile games, everything is like freemium. Teamfight Tactics, League of Legends, all that stuff, you know. I think Overwatch is also free to play right now. Then they monetize it with the skins. Okay. Because why it works is because people who want to buy the skins, they will buy everything. And those who don't want to, they still play, and they, you know, might buy something, you know, and then they also get the attention of the game, so it's win-win. So, you know, yeah, so it's free marketing for them. So it works. They make more money when it's free, and then people who really want to buy, they buy everything, right? with the blockchain, with NFTs, people are sleeping on NFTs heavily. It's a very huge innovation because it's a proof of digital ownership. People don't understand that proof of digital ownership is a big deal. Okay, so how it works is that you can play a game for free, and then you actually get the assets. Okay, you play the game, you get the assets, and you can mint them and sell them. And then also the company can make assets, digital assets, and sell them to you as an NFTs, and then you can resell in the markets. So then the company makes same money as it would on normal play, but they actually make more money because people are more inclined to buy when you actually own this, then you can resell them. They have more value, right? And people buy more. It's easy to convert. And then on the back end, they have marketplace where people can trade these digital assets where they take a fee. If you look at like Apple, Apple Store, it's crazy. They have like monopoly on it, but they are taking like something like 30% fees, which is outrageous. But the games that are, in my opinion, going to be successful, it's going to take a couple of percents for fees. So what it means is that then you play the game and people play the game, and then they trade the assets on the back end. So the game makes just, and what it does is the game people get more value. So it's basically like the horse and buggy upgraded to the car, right? People get more value because they own the assets. You can resell them if you don't want to play the game anymore. And those people who don't want to play game anymore, or don't have that much to play, but they want to play it, they can buy it more. Okay, so it's win-win for everybody, and then the company makes more money, and at the same time, the company actually makes 3 to 5x more money because they have 100% passive cash flow from the marketplace. That is just like added revenue. So what that means, when the company makes Web3 company, gaming company makes more revenue than the Web2 company. Okay, what happens is that so there's the legendary marketer Dan Kennedy says, those who can pay most to acquire customer win, because you can basically everything in advertising is auction. So who is willing to pay most for this spot, and who is willing to pay most will get that spot, right? So it's like an auction. So who can make more money, and who can advertise with more money and still be profitable, they can scale. When everybody else gets the bad ad spots, these guys can get best ad spots, and they're still making money because their revenue is so huge compared to the other ones. So basically, these can buy all of the other existing customers from all the Web2 games. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a big freaking deal. Okay, and the golden ticket token that I'm buying and I have bought is looking to do that. And if you watch all of these, all of these crypto gaming channels and everything, nobody talks about that. I think that's the most fundamental. Why Web3 game is going to be big? Because people are here to make money. They're company. If you look at gaming companies, they make money. So if there's a new way to make more money, bringing more value on the customers, they can absolutely crazy grow it. Okay, and I think that in itself is a just huge alpha and a big deal that nobody's talking about. It's very crazy to me. But I think I'm just so early on this that this is the this is the thing here. Okay, but that's a huge, and I think they can pull off that vision. So that's a big deal. So that's crypto gaming low caps for you. Okay, that's why I think it's a big deal. It just makes sense to me, business wise. So let's look at the base meme coin millionaires, right? Let's look at the base, like what's happening with the base. Super exciting. So the base meme coin millionaire hypothesis is that, of course, this is all hypothesis. This whole Ponzi scheme can go to zero. Like all of these, peaks and everything. Like they're just startups. They can fail. It can happen. But with the risk comes the reward. So the high risk, high reward. That's why I'm here. I'm with the high risk, with the high reward. So base meme coin millionaires. Why it's a huge thing? Why base meme coins are huge? First of all, let me show you first of all one thing. And I think that this video that I'm recording right now might be the best video on whole YouTube, by the way. This might be actually the best video in a whole space. If you're starting with low money, you can make insane money with just this information. So if you look at BNB is it's a cryptocurrency exchange. Right now, it's the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Okay? So I've been here since 2017. I was using Binance here. So I remember it being like 20 cents, 30 cents token. Then it went $3 range. That was kind of like the bottom. And then it launched chain here, but it was not good. It was like, it was not ETH compatible. And it was weird. I think that it was built on Cosmos, if I believe right. Or if I remember right. I believe that it was Cosmos. But it didn't work. It's okay. And then they launched Ethereum virtual machine compatible. Basically, they copied, what they did is they copied ETH. They made it so ETH is decentralized and secure, but it's slow. So in the bull run, there is so many people using coming to crypto, so ETH gas fees went to freaking high. Like Five was paying $500 per gas fees, so new people couldn't use that. So what they did is they used Binance Smart Chain. Okay, and Binance Smart Chain is not decentralized, it's centralized, but it's fast and cheap. So they created the chain, and the peaks on that Binance Smart Chain just absolutely skyrocketed. You can study it. Look at any peaks on Binance Smart Chain. Just people made millions. Little people made millions. Okay, new people made millions. Everybody makes millions. It was insane. It's still up. Look at it. It's still up because it's a great chain. Now, the second largest cryptocurrency exchange is Coinbase. I'm actually going to give you alpha here. Let's look at here. I have this thing on my phone. Secret thing here, which is not actually secret. It just shows what position Coinbase is right now. Coinbase is right now 151 position. Okay? 155 position. Now, it's going to go to rank 1 position on App Store. You know, but right now it's 151 position. So we have still time to go there. So which means Coinbase is going to have insane attention, right? The exchange. It also has stock called Coin, which is going to go crazy also. Now, for me, I believe Coinbase is going to get a lot of attention. How I'm going to monetize this, okay? How I'm going to monetize this. Base created a new chain on ETH, like I talked about. ETH is centralized and ETH is decentralized and secure, but it's slow. So what they did is they used OP stack to create layer 2 scaling solution, basically blockchain, or they used the layer 2 scaling solution by OP stack, and they created layer 2 called base layer. But the name is just banger. Base layer. Now on top of base layer, gas fees are low, transactions are fast, and it's easy to use. Okay, so basically it's the same as Binance Smart Chain created BNB. Binance created Binance Smart Chain, crazy adoption. Coinbase created Base, and it's just getting started. I believe it will get insane adoption. Now the thing here is that so the money flow is like this. Coinbase will send all of their users to layer 2 base, and they are looking at the thing like a smart wallet. So I'm telling you right now, but listen to this very carefully. If you're watching this right now, good for you. If you're not, if you click this video away and you're not watching this, well, you won't see this message anyway, and you don't really care. Anyway, so Base Chain or Coinbase is creating smart wallet and system where they all, listen to me, all of their users that use Coinbase exchange will use base layer 2, and they don't even know that they are using base layer 2. Okay, you understand? They are going to send all of their, it's second largest cryptocurrency exchange centralized in the world. All of those people who are using Coinbase are going to actually use base layer 2. Okay, that's what I believe that will happen. They are looking at if you look at Jesse Polka right now, he's talking about smart wallet, and they are talking about that they are going to send all of their centralized traffic from the exchange to the base layer. Now this means that the base layer will have insane crazy volume and attention, just like Binance Smart Chain did, but I think it's going to be even bigger. Now, all that attention will go from Coinbase to base layer 2 to the meme coins. And there are other coins too on base layer. There are decentralized exchange tokens, all that. But I believe meme coins will pump the hardest, because people who come new to this cycle and people who don't know about anything about crypto, they don't want to know about blockchain. They don't even care. All they see is that are they social circles, and on Twitter and Facebook and everywhere, people are talking about these cute cat coins and these cute meme coins, and they are going to buy that. Okay, they're going to buy that. If you study that, I have a great book about it. It's what is it? One bull run on Wall Street or something like that. It covers all the bull runs known to history of mankind, and one of them is, for example, tulip craziness. Like the bull manias are just stupid. I mean, it's euphoric, it's madness, it's retarded. Okay, so people, when they come here, they will buy all the attention from Coinbase. It goes to Coinbase, then base layer 2 without them knowing it, and then they will buy the cats. They will buy the cat meme coins. I'm telling you, they will buy the memes, and they will pump to the freaking crazy prices. So once I understood this hypothesis, I took 10K. Okay, I took $10,000 and I slammed it in the markets. Not in one go. If you are in the inner circle, if you are, by the way, if you want to get access to it, you can find links in description. So yeah, so how I buy it, I dollar cost average in. And the reason you want to dollar cost averaging in, because you need to build with conviction, and also you don't know where the market is. So I didn't know that it's going to instantly go up, but I knew that the hypothesis was that in 6 to 12 months it's going to go up a lot. So, but in the short term, like the Benjamin Graham talks about, mentor of Warren Buffett, in the short term the market is a voting machine, but in the long term it's a weighing machine. So I think that the Coinbase, it has a lot of weight on cryptocurrency markets. It is the second largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. It's regulatory approved, in my opinion. They're going to win all their cases. It still has the leader, like the OG leader, Brian Armstrong, the bald guy. It's memeable. It's fun. He's a cool dude. He's very smart. They also have the stock, which none other exchange has the stock. I mean, it's just the perfect storm. So if you are not monetizing this attention, you are losing on an opportunity of a lifetime. Okay, this is a big deal. So even if you are in crypto gaming stuff, if I'm taking this opportunity, I don't think that a lot of people are as good as finding the opportunity as me. Because if they would, why would you watch this video right now? And I'm telling you, I believe this is the greatest opportunity of this bull run. I think that crypto gaming is also huge. I think that it's the more safer one. Let's just put it that way. But this is a wild bet, and I think that I'm going to win this bet heavy. Okay. So, I mean, that's why I'm sharing it here. Of course, it's super risky. I only bought with 10K, so if it goes to zero, I'm willing to lose that. But I believe I will make 1 to 10 million. I'm looking at 2.5 million profit. That's what I'm aiming at. Because from these prices, 25K, 100x, 2.5 million. And after taxes, it leaves me with 1 point something million. So, it is what it is. Okay? But I think it's a huge, anybody can have 5 to 10K to put in the crypto. Just with the weed, quit drinking bullshit, quit eating hamburgers every single weekend or day. What else? Quit buying gaming stuff. Quit buying new stupid things. Like, just quit buying anything. Just buy crypto. And then you probably have parents or anything like that. Just lend some money. Whatever has to be done. For me, I've been looking at, and I've been studying, and I have a millionaire mentors in 2022 December. I attended to one of the biggest affiliate conference there is. I mean, if I have ever seen bosses, the room was full of millionaires. All of them paid like I think it was 1 to 2K to be there, at least. Like that's the minimum threshold. Some of them paid 5K, 10K, whatever, some money. So they paid that, and all of them did whatever it needed to be done. I asked many people. I basically like almost all people there. I was like, oh, like, God, what's your story? And there was people owning these like gambling sites and stuff like that, you young dudes, and they just said like they started very young and they just did everything it needed to be done. Everything. So, I have done everything needed to be done to be in this position and get these opportunities, find these opportunities, study everything. Let me show you. Because some of you might be new to this channel, so you don't know who I am. You don't know what I am. Okay. You don't know. So I have so there's still too much here. But let me show you some books that I just bought and I'm reading right now. So these are really good books. Secret Millionaire Mind, Emotional Intelligence, Grit, Harvard Business, Science of Selling. This is a great book that I'm really studying right now heavily. Your Next 5 Moves, Warren Buffett, Interpretation of Financial Statements. Then there's Seduced by Robert Greene, Folly of the Fools by Robert Drivers. Best, kind of like a biologic... kind of like why people, he's the best, like why people lie to themselves and lie to everybody else. Super in-depth book. The Confident Mind by Dr. Nate Zinzer. And we have, I will keep going on. I have so many books. Growth Hacker Marketing, Same as Ever, the $1 trillion wealth transfer, Seven Secrets to Investing, like Warren Buffett. There's more book. I have like insane amounts of books. I probably have like, I don't even know. I have a Kindle full of books. I have bought books with like at least like 10K or something like that. And I keep buying. And yet, a couple of days ago, I bought more, crypto. I buy courses all the time myself. I buy the high ticket stuff. I bought, for example, one bought like 1K just a few days ago or a week ago or something like that. I don't really care. I watch that. I just learn constantly. The more I learn, the more I earn. So okay, so if you want to learn and learn more about the base meme coin millionaires and join the inner circle and the meme coin portfolio, I really recommend it. I'm not a financial advisor, but for me, whenever I make more money, is because if I do something new and I take action on an opportunity and or I buy course, get a mentor, just do anything. Just take action, do whatever needs to be done. If you're struggling, if you have $500, I've been there. I remember I was so broke in 2020, basically 2019. I was trying all kinds of businesses. Everything that I tried failed. I was in debt. I was taking debt to launch the businesses. It failed horribly. Okay, horribly. And I was but the thing here, I was in the right opportunities. For example, then I was selling the, posture correctors. I was selling them on Amazon, but the right play was to make one item Shopify store and then sell with YouTube ads and Facebook. That would have been $1 million company if I would have made that. But I didn't have the skill set to do that back then. Now we can do it easily. But it's a lot of effort. So but back then I tried them. I did nothing worked. I wasn't bad debt, but I was getting debt to buy the business and stuff like that because I thought that would be good, but it wasn't. When you start anything, you want to start for free and then build from there, get cash flow, and then reinvest. You don't need to take debt in modern days to do anything. But everything failed. I remember I was trying so hard. Like I had tried everything, like literally everything. All my, it was super sad. And I remember I didn't have any money in my bank. I was super broke. I was broken. And then, everything, started compounding to me. And what really happened there is I took something and sticked with it. Okay? I took opportunity and I sticked with it. So before that, I was trying, like I said, I tried so many things, but I tried it and I quit. I tried it by like 3 months, 6 months, and then I quit. But thank God I did, because right now in a position I learned so much about them, and I'm so happy that I'm right now here, because this is ultimately I'm super lazy, so it has bring me to this where I don't need to work at all and I still make a lot of money. Okay, investing, like, it's the best thing ever. So thank God I did. But for me, what really changed for me is I took something and I sticked with it. I started doing, and it's crypto. I'm talking right now about crypto. I've been in crypto since 2017. Like you can see here, I made this cool, huge logo here because I want to say that, because I've been here since 2017. I've been looking at all the courses, all the things, so making all the mistakes, having the success, everything like that. But it's been a nice journey. So, but what happened to me is I stick with it. So now, as if you join the base meme millionaires, and the whole point of it, the bottom line is that if you join, give it some time. Some people, I have a trial. Like if you go there, it's a $1 trial. You should watch the free video and then you can decide if you want the $1 trial. But I have $1 trial in my membership. Like literally, I've been looking at the data, and a lot of people just like they use the trial and then they quit. I'm like, why? Like, you are in the biggest. If anybody would just have bought the course and training and been inside, you will be in great profits, in my opinion. Because I've been showing everything I'm doing, everything I have done is in profits. So I don't know what's the problem. So, it's just like get in and stick with it. Give it some time. Give you some time. If you want to get bigger muscles, you are not going to go gym for one time and be like, like that's retarded. That is literally the definition of retarded. Literally. So, yeah. So you need to go to the gym 6 times a week, put heavy ass sets, do a lot of reps, and with the high intensity and with the right mindset, and then you also eat clean, sleep good, you know what I'm saying, and and you don't do anything in the gym. You get a mentor and who shows you what to do in the gym, and then you execute for months. You probably don't. You at first you see a little bit gains, and then a little bit more and a little bit more, and it compounds and compounds and compounds. And if you do it for like 7 years, I mean, you are going to be you have a lot of muscle, and you have a lot of whatever is wealth if you are investing anything like that. But a lot of you are just like too short-term minded. You are just, everything needs to be super short-term for you, and that is not going, you are never going to make a lot of money with that mindset. I mean, that's my realization here, and it took me so long to get here. And I was in the short term, like finding the next golden thing, and I was like la 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 la. Okay, I was already. And there are secrets, and this is the opportunity. There are every opportunity that I was in. You can make money in anything, but you just need to stick with it. So I'm telling you, base meme coins, I'm buying them right now. I'm going to hold 6 to 12 months, or whenever the euphoric phase is here. When everybody is coming in, when your father and uncle and grandma is buying, I'm selling to them. I will sell here. Here, let me show you exactly where I sell. So here's half of it. 3 months or so. So overall, like a 4 to 5 months, I'm selling. And when it crosses 10k, I'm looking to start cost averaging in, and I think it will cross 10k somewhere probably here. And then I just like boom, 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 sell pretty much every day. Okay, then I take profits and then make a lot of money without any kind of effort. Only effort is here is that I've been showing you this what I'm buying. Literally, that's the biggest effort I have put here. Okay, so I mean, yeah, stick with it. Stick with it. Of course, with all the great opportunities comes great risk. There's always risk reward. Risk and reward goes hand in hand. If you are not willing to take risk, you are not willing to get reward. Okay, Ray Dalio, by the way, has a great book about this. He has basically this kind of, you go here and then you go like this and then you continue. So he basically creates these loops. Okay, so these loops can, if you are not have the right mindset, right mentor, right opportunities, can destroy you or push you back. But if you just keep pushing over out of them, you will get to the next point, and then you don't want necessarily to have instant gains because it will freak your mindset. You want to have, Warren Buffett talks about it, solid gains constantly, and that will compound to great money. Okay, so if for example my crypto journey here, it is this. It's not like Dogecoin millionaire from here to here instant. Like, no, because what happens with what goes up fast comes down fast. It's the law of nature. It is one of the laws. Every action has its opposite and equal reaction. It's funny. I remember making videos about in 2021. I was saying, okay, this is the peak. We are going down. I said every action has its opposite and equal reaction. Newton's third law. And then people in the comments says, "Wow, Wolf, you're stupid. You are really talking about laws of nature and crypto in a similar way." I'm like, bro, crypto is not that special that it doesn't follow the laws of nature. Everything in this universe, read Stephen Hawking's book, everything in this universe, is in the laws of nature. Like, for example, gravity. Like, that's how that's how the thing, whole like universe operates. And if you look at like black hole, it is just like it has collapsed because it ran out of, how I say it in English, it's like run out of its energy source, and then it collapsed, and then its gravity is bigger than the speed of light, or it's bigger than the speed of light, and then it's black because the light can't get out of it because of the gravity. So if that happens in the black hole, you can be sure that the gravity works also in market cycles. It will go down. Okay, don't get fooled by this. There's stupid stuff going on with it. If you are looking at crypto stuff on Instagram and TikTok, you need to quit that, by the way. You need to quit that ASAP. Okay, and I have found the best alpha I found and the best anything knowledge I find. It's always like it's always some kind of little book nobody reads, or a YouTube channel with like 5 to 200 views, something like that's always the best information. You know why? Because if you want to get above average results, you need to be above average. And a lot of people have average brain, so they can't find, they are not in the frequency to find above average people. So if you are watching this video right now, the chances are you are above average, and you are very you're going to be very successful in the future. I would like, if you're watching this channel right now and you're watching this video, you're like, wow, Wolf, like, yeah, I understand what you're saying. I would bet money on you, okay? Because I don't see that often. I really don't see that often, okay? Anyway, not financial advice. This is not financial advice. If you want to join, check out the first links in the description. And nothing is guaranteed. Stay logical, stay patient, stay bold. Fortune favors bold. Okay? Thank you so much, and peace out. Thank you.